Glam subscribers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Curlsdynasty. Today I'm doing a soft glam on this beauty. I am priming her face with a Pore Professional by Benefit and laying it with a Smashbox photo finish to get that smooth photo finish. I am distributing it evenly on her skin using a flat brush. When watching my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, put on your notification bell and share. Sharing is caring. Using the eyebrow pencil from Tobago Cosmetics to fill in her eyebrows. Actually brushing her eyebrows upwards to get that full fairy effect and to see a clearer view of the shape of her eyebrows. Okay, Glam subscribers, I did clean up her eyebrows to get a clean sharp slay. I did use LA Pro Girl Concealer at the bottom of her eyebrows, and on top I did use her shade of foundation so it can blend in evenly on her face. This beauty enjoy every minute, every second that each product I add on to her face. She enjoyed it and always looking at herself in the mirror and smiling and dancing. Just a tip. If you're not using the foundation of the person's skin tone over the eyebrows and it's a concealer, a shade or two lighter, make sure you blend it out evenly. You hear that? Evenly before applying the foundation so it will not leave a harsh line or look separated. Going in with some concealer to even out her skin tone on her face. Her face has some blemishes, so I did apply the concealer, tap it out and use the face powder to lock it in so that it may not move. Just pat the brush and don't swipe. But wait, is it more for me and the attitude? I can't believe this. Using my products Makeup Fix Plus Spray and Slay, I did use it after every step to lock in the products so I can get the flawless look I deserve to see. I told you all she was happy with every step I did. Watch the neck dance. MAC foundation NC50 and NC45. I mix both shades together. 2 drops of NC50 and 1 drop of NC45 to get her shade perfectly on point. I blend out her foundation evenly throughout her face by just tapping. The mixture of the foundations came out to her true skin tone. I am using LA Pro Concealer, Medium Biscuit and Toffee. I always spritz her face with Makeup Fix It Plus Spray and Slay. Medium Biscuit, which I did apply it in the inner corner of her eyes. That shade is 2 times lighter than her foundation. And the Toffee, I also apply the shade at the outer corner of her eyes, which is 1 shade lighter than her foundation. I did use Toffee to continue throughout her face, blending out the concealer to perfection, using it on all the high points on her face. Using the black opal stick in the shade Cargo, I use it to contour in the high points of her face, like the perimeter around her face, under the jawline, on the nose, as well her cheeks, and blend it out to perfection with a brush or a wet sponge. For highlighter powder, I use a local brand, Sasha's Cosmetics. I did layer it over the concealer to bake for a few seconds. Afterwards, I swept it off. For bronzer, I did use the Bagel Cosmetic and put it over the contour to get that studio finish. I did use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. I swiped it underneath her cheekbone and I blended out to get that sharp cut. Spritzing some of my products, spray and slay, using a damp sponge and pat it over the skin so it can melt into the skin. Actually, this blush is a brand called Sephora. I put it on the high point on her cheeks and blended it into her skin. I did not go heavy on the blush because it is a soft glam. P. Louise Base Rumor Tree using as a eyeshadow primer. I also did put back some highlighter powder to catch the fallouts of the eyeshadow under the eyes. I am applying medium amount on the eyelids and blend it out evenly with the P. Louise base. I did pat out the base on her eyelids. I did not blend or anything like that. I just pat it out. the two palettes I am using, Warrior by Juvia's Place and Jacqueline First palette. It's a oldie but a goodie for me. All the bronze and browns I am using in the corner of the eyes, and I put a gold on the eyelid. Just blend with perfection until you get the satisfaction of your work and how you want it to look. I did not make a sharp cut crease. I just make a crease and blend the browns into the gold. I'm tapping the gold on the eyelid and then blending the brown into the gold. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, put on a notification bell and share. Sharing is caring. Please. This tattoo matte eyeliner, I did use it for the wing over the eyelids. It is very matte, but as not matte as the England 77 eyeliner. I am applying a good amount on her eyelashes above and below so it can merge with the false eyelashes. I forget I am using my favorite Maybelline mascara. You can get it anywhere in the drugstore. I am using my own brand of eyelashes to get that wispy look. Hey, you see that look? Oh my gosh, neat. Next step, I went back into the palette, Warrior by Juvia's Place, get the same brown, apply it under her waterline and blend it out. The highlighter trio by Pat McGrath, I use it for highlighting her face. I have to smile every time she look into the mirror is the neck dance. The last step, I am using a lip pencil to draw out on her outer lips. I am now applying some concealer inside the lip, and I will be tapping it out. Afterwards, I will be applying some clear lip gloss. When watching her lips, I find the pencil that came out a little from the outer corner, so I apply some foundation and clean it up well. This beauty here is feeling herself, trust me. The gloss make the lip look more beautiful. So guys, this is the ending of the video. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, put on your notification bell and share. Sharing is caring, and I hope this video was informative and I hope you all enjoy it. Bye.